Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
A very great good morning to ever-conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Uzazel Sakwinokwudi. Yes, I actually promised to come out by 8:30 this morning, but due to some unforeseen occurrence that is above my control, I said I came out late, and I have to first of all start by tendering an unreserved apology for keeping most respected personalities around the world waiting. Yes, it's the 2 Edo Central campaign for Governor Godwin Oyegase Obaseki. So today we are going to look at the campaign so far in focus, what we've achieved and what is remaining, and the actions of some political desperados who are hell-bent on creating mayhem and unleashing terror on the good people of Edo State. The desperation of one man who believes that he is everybody will still be in focus. Usage will be in focus in our overall discussion today this morning. Please, I will urge you and I beg you to please share this video and invite your friend. Give me the opportunity to please share this video and invite your friends. Yes, as of today, if you move around the 3 senatorial district of Edo State, you agree to the fact that openly the people are strongly in support of Governor Godwin Oyegase Obaseki. It was because of this Adam Oshomole ran to Abuja yesterday to go and meet with the president. The president told him point blank, allow the will of the people to prevail in Edo State. You know, Oshomole was thinking, Oshomole is not a man that believes in the old philosophy of one man, one vote, one woman, one vote, one girl, one vote, one boy, one vote, which he happens to be an advocate of in the past. We all knew what he did while he was the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress. He was busy rigging elections. He never knew that President Muhammadu Buhari would not support his views and opinion. Buhari told him yesterday, allow the will of the people to prevail in Edo State. A man like Oshomole who openly came out to threaten violence against the people of Edo already knew that there is no way he can win these elections for Izeyamu. He's running her tasket. It's so painful that Izeyamu has allowed himself to be used by Oshomole. Because Oshomole today is not drowning alone. Politically, he's going to ensure that he's going to drown with Osage Izeyamu alongside with himself. Osage Izeyamu was a very good, calculative politician. Even Oshomole fears him. That was why Oshomole was able to open the secret in respect to his criminality and otherwise, according to Oshomole. Oshomole fears Izeyamu a lot. But Izeyamu stooped so low to allow a man who baited him with insult from the beginning to the end. He now allowed himself to be used by this same man, all in a bid to satisfy the quest of there is no permanent friend and no permanent enemy in politics. What is permanent is interest. We know interest is permanent, but integrity is paramount. Integrity is sacrosanct. If you threw your integrity into the backwater of political or economic decadence, you have yourself to blame. As of today, it is quite obvious. You look at the mammoth crowd, the turnout. People are running here and there, familiarizing, solidarizing with Obaseki. This is not because Obaseki is handsome or beautiful or ugly, as the case may be. This is because of the fact that his workings has been able to show to the entire world that true governance is in existence in Edo State. I would like to show you some classical example so that you know exactly what we are talking about. You know, I told you before now that they can never be bold enough to engage in word-to-word rally. They can't campaign, they can't do it. But as we speak, I want to quickly show you a reflection. This is Governor Obaseki moving in Ward 6. You see for yourself. You can hear the masses shouting. So this is not time for us to sell wrong information. Now, do you know the beautiful part? When Izayamu goes to campaign with Oshomuli, they distribute 3,000 naira per person to be there. But do you know the difference between what is obtainable under the tutelage of the Obaseki administration and Obaseki campaign? People are ready to wait morning till evening. Now let me give you a classical example. As at yesterday, we went to Ugboha. People who were at Ango 90 were waiting for us in Ubiaja. And we are supposed to first of all reach Ango 90 before Ugboha. But because the movement, there was a little hiccup somewhere. So we say, okay, let us just start with the Ugboha. Do you know that those places in Ubiaja, Ango 90 specifically, they sat, they waited and waited and waited till the governor arrived. That is love. Nobody was giving a dime to do this. But the truth is, I have moved in Edo North. I am now moving in Edo Central. I am studying the political situation. But let's not deceive ourselves. Give this to the people of Edo Central. Give this to the people of Edo Central. I have my reasons. These people are united in one resolve. Look at what they are enough. They are enough. Is working in line with the views and opinion of the overall majority. You see the video when I see that day, where for mess at the up, na short part when I see. They tell them say shut up the driver. The driver. Susu, leave. Susu, leave. Away. They drove him away. Yesterday, a video circulated on social media where the Muslim was saying, arrest them. Arrest them. They make a station for animal. Are you bigger than the saying arrest at the Muslim? That is all he's doing. Desperation. They not beat you. They not fight you. They campaign your own. You they campaign your own. You say you want to go 30. They say they not agree. Is that enough reason for you to plan to arrest them? Is that enough reason for you to arrest them? Esa oye. Esa oye. Esa oye. Esa. Oh yeah. I so much celebrate you people because it is not easy. I repeat, I have never seen this kind of political awakening. If you like, you give them the money. You bring 100 million, 500 million. If it is money to buy people, Oshomole for fee buy. But the truth is, the people of Esa land cannot be bought. If money is everything, those traditional rulers will drive Oshomole for not driving. By this kind of time, each of them going to use brand new 2019 Lexus. Each of them going to use brand new 2019 Lexus. By now, or even 2020 Lexus, if to say the agree made them buy them. If to say they agree made them buy them. But they refuse to be bought. Adam Oshomole today is the most desperate man. He is going to sink politically, whether you like it or not. That is the truth. When you see somebody like him, they show you desperation. Dress for him. Because now who in with and want sink politically define, run for him. It's so painful that is a yam allow himself to be used by Oshomole. The Benin-based billionaire, where everybody be the respect, he don't turn to object of ridicule in the heart and mind of every Edo citizen, or because he want to align with Oshomole. This same Oshomole openly bring that Benin-based billionaire, insult him from up to back, open the corruption where they gotta do for airport road. Do you know the funniest thing? Oshomole's followers see him as a god. They see him as a god. They believe he know they lose fight. But they forget in history, when Oshomole went to Bayelsa State, one go conduct primaries, the smuggler don't come out. Their general, the smuggler run come out. The smuggler run come out. But many of these people, they could forget history. He said, Yamu openly tell us, say, Oshomole, he said, sorry to say, quote him, not be me. I need to go find the video. He said, Ubi Mumu, now the member shout Oshomole. Ubi Mumu, member shout Oshomole. He said, Oshomole will go to and in this house to go and beg in the night. During the day, he will do the same thing that he's begging for. During the day, Oshomole will do the same thing that he was begging for in the night. He said nobody should take Oshomole serious. After that, Isaiah Muna said Oshomole received the sum of 1.4 trillion naira in 8 years, which is the highest and the most largest ever resources received by government from Midwest State to Bende State down to Edo State. Under Oshomole regime, we witnessed oil boom. Oil boom. Nigeria was selling oil at a cost of about $150 to $160 per barrel. Excess crude fund was coming into Edo State as at when due. Ecological funds were available. Money coming out from everywhere to an extent that Oshomole never cares about the IGRO. IGRO was now ceded to some outlaw elements who now have money counting machines in their various offices. No educational backgrounds, no job or work history, no informal training, but the whole of them have ended up becoming billionaires. In spite of this huge amount of resources that gets into the state under Oshiomhole, as attested to by Ize-Iyamu, Oshiomhole openly indebted the state to a tune of about 60 billion plus, if I'm not mistaken. I will not quote this. Don't accept this figure. I'm going to verify this figure and give you a more verified fact. In spite of this huge amount of resources that got into the state, according to Ize-Iyamu, 1.4 trillion, Oshiomhole ended up borrowing more money into the state. That is why today, the house of Oshiomhole in Abuja defeats that of the president. Oshiomole's house in Aso Drive defeats the house of Mr. President. Oshiomhole house in Iyamu defeats the house of any other governor that have ruled in Edo State. The one in Iyamu in his village. Not to talk of the one in Okoroton in GRA Benin. As a governor, where did it work? He is very quick to run to court to prevent governments and institutions from checking him. That is why at times I will commend Emmanuel S. Aigbogun for petitioning Adamu Oshiomhole in 2013 to 14. Himself, the likes of Kola Edokpayi and one Echi. The Echi is a clergyman. To date, the petition is there. Nobody has looked into such petition. I begin to wonder again. Those who petitioned him in respect to corruption, those who continue to protest against him in respect to the corruption in the Benin Specialist Hospital, turn around to support him. Well, we don't know the reason behind such. But maybe when time comes, they will tell us. Let's leave that aside. But I must commend them for petitioning Oshiomhole in respect of corruption. Please share this video. Click your share button, please. Share this video and invite your friend. Please click your share. Now, as of today, Oshiomhole openly came out to say, I sold a bad product. The question is, between Oshiomhole and Obaseki, who is a bad product? Oshiomhole only lived in pretense. Now, people talk about it had rules, which is true, without creating a single employment, which is true. Now the question is the amount of development provided by Adamu Oshiomhole commensurable with the amount of resources received by the Oshiomhole administration? The answer is no. Oshiomhole had a single kilometer of road at a cost of 1 billion. Airport road given to Servitech company owned by the Benin-based billionaire. 1 billion per kilometer. The 8 kilometer of road, Benin Airport Road, 8 kilometer, was tarred at a cost of 8 billion. Whereas, same road with street furniture and durability, is tagged by NDDC at a cost of 125 million per kilometer. Izeyamu's friends company, as lobbied by Izeyamu, planted flower with Oshomole along Ring Road with Little at Fatin at a whopping cost of over 900 million. The Uronigbe Road, all the contractors who bidded for such road bidded within the range of 4.8 billion. Cetraco, a company that never bidded for such contract, who were never part of the bidding process, got the contract. They went to go and call him, the Cetraco, come and do this work. And it was approved at a cost of 8 billion. 8 billion. At a cost of 8 billion. The question now is, what happened to the balance 3.2 billion naira? Do you know what is 3.2 billion naira? 1 billion naira, 500 naira notes can possibly close this hotel room that I am in. If you load just 1 billion, it will close it. 500 naira notes. Oshomole regime collected 3.2 billion outside the cost of bidding for the contract. Now, let's do this with more extensive research. Please oblige me with the opportunity so that we'll be giving you real details. Let me call someone to bring me something. Let me call someone to bring me something so that so when criminals are coming out to tell you fake stories, tell them to stop deceiving you because you are more intelligent than them. I bet me with your phone. I'm with your phone. I not connect you down with network. I want to show something. I did my room. I'm not come here. Now, ask. When such elements begin to tell you story, ask them, where did they work? Which farm in Papa carry, or which company in Papa get where he inherit, or which work in work? Excuse me. Look up. Which company in Papa get? Mr. Imalige, second scene. If you try the same comments on my post again, believe me, I will not tell you what I will do next. But just believe me, I will take appropriate action. No, I want to go. I want to show them something. Now, ask them, where did they work? Where did he work? I am glad today that no. Please give me some minutes. Nothing. Okay. I want to show you guys. So, where did he walk? Oshomole renovated what's the name of this school? Idia College at a cost of 500 million. That money is enough to renovate 30 schools. 30 schools. But Oshomole spent 500 million in renovating just one school. To date, no gadget, nothing, apart from superficial embellishments, well organized chairs in the classroom, which is true. Go and check the lab, nothing. I'm coming, let me show you this detail. This is your phone, maybe I have to scroll. Take me to normal site. Let me open the Google, not be that area. Please, I want to show you something. Browser, go your browser. This same man is telling you today that he sold a bad product. The question now is, who is a bad product between the both of them? Oshomole printed common question paper at a cost of 250 million. Just a question paper at a cost of 250 million. Obaseki came and he said, no, I cannot do the same. We must ensure we do things rightly. The man now went to print that same question paper at a cost of 30 million naira. Those who were busy stealing the 220 million were angry that a sitting governor under the leadership of Obaseki is preventing them from taking over the collective resources of Edo State. I don't understand this. Your phone. Share spot for me. Share spot for me for this one. I would have shared a spot through this, but anyway. Now, they started crying. They started crying because that free Egunje, when they still knock on the, ask the whole of them, including me, where join fight the governor in the past, say, why did we fight? Why did we fight? Ask them. You don't use spot. You're supposed to see me there. Ask them all, why did they fight? It is purely stomach infrastructure. More will not even use English, repent and say stomach infrastructure. They did not allow us to jump into the treasury. What was our grievances? Like my grievances was that under Oshomole watch as a governor, I was fighting him. I no see chance to benefit. He begin to benefit some certain people. Now this one will see suffer put. He come now. He not let me enter treasury. I no agree. Oh. That was my fight. Me supposed to enter treasury. The way we should put those other people for treasury. Well, of them they chop the money. Me supposed to join chop. Me not me when nearly dancing I don't agree. My pastor can know the trial. He leave me. I was crying. That is exactly the same cry that others were crying. But the other one, their cry was different from mine. Their own be say, "Ma, we wait for the shop come money. This man said, no, no, agree more chop this money. We not go grow. We must go to the shop come money. Oh, me we not learn work and not go school. I not learn work and not go school. Now government money I want the chop. The man they prevent me." That was the cry of those in the other divide. Why the likes of Father Moshomole is, hey God, I brought this man for me to be able to control him and to be able to eat the money continuously. This man has prevented me. I must remove him. I must remove him. Why Yamu's own is, I must be governor. I must be governor. When I was the chief of staff, when I was the SSG, I know how much I collected. Despite the fact that I intelligently collected all this money, I need to be in charge. They all bought government property. I need to be, if I don't enter, I don't agree. That one desperation at the highest. I felt talk one word in the past. I say, if they tell that one, say, see what you go do for you to be governor, he will do it. That is in a lie. People think say we job by one talk. But some few days ago, in a donut, a pastor turned himself to Islamic believer. He want to deceive people. He say a traditional this thing. Whereas when they want to give you, we hear Rabbana, Atina, Rabbanana, Atinata, the normal prayer. Islamic way they give unto you. You quickly rush on. Because you see say people begin attacking. Because you see people begin attacking. He ran again to the church. To the form preaching. Who you they deceive. See, that is why I am saying Isaiah. I know him well. Oamaguwegwa onikugeria. Oamaguwegwa onikugeria. Oamaguwegwa onikugeria. So meri setizi bona ikugeria. Meri setizi bona ikugeria. Meri setizi bona ikugeria. Walareo nadogare baba Obaseki. Wayalare dore baba nao Obaseki neo wariye. Ogahi. Omonosiagie no dodoledo uesi. Wawese avetemena uno support ye. Evi ekenae nige ni lagi wawese Obaseki Godwin Enongelase. He's here to fix a better do. I challenge Zayamu. I challenge somebody and any other to accuse Obaseki of corruption. They can't. Godwin Obaseki na we want for governorship. Carry go. Everybody vote Obaseki. Carry come. Now you will go vote to make you carry go. Edo people say make you carry come. Bubaka people say make you carry go. Ego people say make you carry come. Oredo people say make you carry go. Evo Imi say make you carry come. Edo Central say make you carry go. Edo North say make you carry come. Bubaoka people say make you carry go. Everybody say make you carry come. Osakweno what they say make you carry go. Obaseki carry come. Now you will go vote to make you carry come. Now the truth, they are only being desperate. The truth must be said. And by the power of our ubiquitous God, Imayaka bina you boy kega. Imayaka bina you boy kega. There is no way they can defeat us. There is a Latin terminology that states, qui platetor, solo sedit. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. We remain firm, we remain resolute, and let me say this. This is to all Togbarians, Ogbane worldwide. We are seeing the light that will win, but we will not take it as if we win. We are going to fight it to victory. No giving up. You don't put me no. Okay. We are going to fight into victory. We don't say because it don't clear, more rest. No. Let's fight. And I said it from the initial stage. I said, when you are playing football game, as the football game is going on, you will not wait to say, it's now I have won, let me stop. You must fight and play and play. Immediately you set the ball rolling till the end, till you hear the final whistle. So that is the same way we are going to act. We will not relent. We will not stop. We will not pause. We will fight till we hear the final whistle from my neck. Stop fighting, you have won. Oh, stop. We'll say, okay. Magbina the boy kegane. Say make we just begin to say, don't worry now, you see how people they follow us, everybody there with us. No. We must fight till the end. No stop. As the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide, I am not speaking for myself. I am speaking the message of those that sent me. On our part, we are determined, we are resolute, we are focused, and we've already concluded before now that the fight must continue. I've told you all, and I'm going to repeat it again. Our activities, a single dime from the government is not part of our activities. We are sponsoring ourselves under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide. You are what God says you are. Godwin, you are what God says you are. You are a winner and not a loser. You are what God says you are. According to Shomole's song, Isiamu, you are what God says you are.
By your record.
You are what God says you are.
By your stealing.
You are what God says you are.
You are God says you are.
By your stealing 700 million.
Is it Yamu? You are what God says you are.
700 million.
You are what God says you are.
You are a loser and not a winner. You are what God says you are. A said pastor openly came out to tell people to go and attack polling booths from polling booths. On Sunday, you stand on the pulpit to tell, although everybody knew, people here by the one you go to church, no man, maybe freestyle day. You know, these days there are some churches, when you tell people, say, when you tell women, say, stop putting on trousers, they might not go to the church again. So they know, say, that church will give the opportunity to tell them misbehave, so they want to be there. Obaseki tell you you no hear. Oyegu tell you you no agree. Osakweno what they tell you you no hear. Ebaso tell you you no agree. When your eyes go clear, oh they know they telling person. They know they telling person. Yeah, they know they telling person. When your eye go clear, oh they know they telling person. They know they telling person. Yeah, they know they telling person. Decorum, please. Decorum. Now, we are set for the Edo Central Day 2 campaign under the aegis of Edo Diasporal Connect Worldwide. We promise ourselves to be with the governor in the 192 wards across Edo State. We promise to remain with the governor in the 192 wards across the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State. And we also promise that we do not need a dime from the government to do what we are doing today. Under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, we have been sharing stationaries and will continue to do. And on our part, education is our topmost priority, and when school resumes, you will see what Edo Diaspora Connect will do in Edo State. We have agreed as a group that will continue to complement the effort of government. And the truth of the matter is very simple. We bless our members around the world. We bless Edos in the diaspora. We bless Edos at home. But greatest thanks goes to our ubiquitous God for making it possible for us to wake up every day to fight to defend the interest of the Ragtag. For making it possible for us to wake up every day to fight to defend the interest of the Jektangs. For making it possible for us to wake up every day to fight for the interest of the Olopoloi in our society. The Aminukanu Talakawas. We are what God says we are. In a nutshell, on our part as a group, we will not begin to speculate. We will not begin to preempt. But we are waiting for the emergence of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Then you will know what Edo Diaspora Connect really stands for. No noise. 4 + 4 Ogba. Day breaks in the morning. The governor is always surprised to see us in his campaign. Yeah, these boys come when it's not a, how we take the hotel, how we take the nothing. We don't ask. No, we don't need it. And the truth is, 95% of everyone moving with him in this campaign are on a selfless service. You are what God says you are. Godwin, you are what God says you are. You are a winner and not a loser. You are what God says you are. Oshomole said, who said God will not win? Who said God will not win? Ekena enihi, enilahi. Obaseki has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that he is an academic gladiator. He has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that he is a fast learner. If Oshomole can break Godfather in Edo, we will never allow him to assume the position of Godfather in this Edo state. This Ogbonge Edo state, women for TI. I just want to be laconic and direct to the point today. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osazen Osakwe Nokwode. And I urge you all to follow us. If we can live the governor's activities as far as the campaign is concerned, we will do if the network allows. But if we cannot live it, we'll give you updated pictures and videos. It will not be like the where they go to put motor for Isa Orunigbe, go Biaruku, go to park people 33,000. We don't do that. You will see the passion. Just wait as we continue to update you with the campaign activity of the Obaseki administration. Thank you very much once again. It's me, your brother, your friend, a renowned human rights activist in Edo State, a politician by excellence, Odogu Special. Do you have the Ogakare ticket go music?
I think I have it.
Play it for me, let me rock. Put on the phone there. I need to rock. Let's practice Oguduweri victory. Let's practice that first. Play that music for me. They wanted to oppress us. They wanted to intimidate us. We came out and said, no. Oga Kare ticket go. Oga Kare ticket go.
You need to shoot that video every day.
Yeah, no. Okay. Play the normal song. Anywhere progress there, Edo people there. Anywhere progress there, Obaseki there. Oga Kare ticket go. Oga Kare ticket go. Anywhere progress there, Edo people there. Anywhere progress there, Obaseki there. Now my brother from the last side now come. About Obaseki, he said, Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. I just see that other song. And he said, I do not buy you, Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. Osakwe no Kwodi, Hamu, Wemaho, Egbegawo. About Obaseki. Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. About Obaseki, Hamu, Wemaho, Egbegawo. Let me get that music, let me roll. Put on.
If we don't be PDP, we don't go vote any other party. We don't go vote. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, I say carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin day, not there we dey go. Anywhere shy would go, not there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin day, not there we dey go. Anywhere shy would day, not there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin day, not there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey. Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, 4+4, Togba o, he must to back, back. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, I say carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket Shaibu, and here we go. Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, 4+4, Pogba, he must do back, he must do back. Papa no fear,
No fear.
Mama no fear. If they want to kill us make we die. We not go force them to come tifo again. Yo, Papa no fear, Mama no fear. If they want to kill us make we die. We not go force them to come tifo again. Yo, brother no fear, sister no fear. If they want to kill us make we die. We not go force them to come tifo. Godwin Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki. Better come from where they try you.
We go vote on the day
Again and again. Godwin Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki. Better come from where they try. We go vote and again and again. Them they plan to thief and go, thief and go, thief and go. Come chop and run, belly full, yourself, all progressive groups.
So thank you very much. I'm Musafiro holding at a big bag for now. Don't hesitate to follow us as we give you updates of what is obtainable in the Edo Central. Thank you. Bye.